Okay. Computer Society of India was started on 6 March 1965 and has now grown to the national body having 72 chapters, 511 student branches and more than 1 lakh members across India. CSI conducts activities in 5 divisions that are Division 1 Hardware, Division 2 Software, Division 3 System Application, Science Application, Division 4 Communication, Division 5 Education and Research. Under CSI student branch, the student will be facilitated by assistants with the resource person for various events to organize seminar, workshops, tutorials, and competitions. Students will be invited to participate in all regional, state, national student conventions, conferences, and competitions with concessional rate, being the CSI member. The student will be able to publish articles in CSI communications and journals. The students will be supported by funding minor projects. Today, for inaugural ceremony, we have a very prestigious chief guest, Sri R.K. Vyas sir, the National President of Computer Society of India. Our guest of honor, Professor R.P.S. Tomar sir, Chairman CSI Ghaziabad Chapter. Guest of honor, Dr. R.P. Maheshwari sir, ex-professor IIT Roorkee, and invited speaker and our mentor, Mr. Saurabh Agrawal ji, Senior Consultant, TCS and Patron to CSI. Without taking much time, I would like to invite our Dean Sir, Dr. Devendra Kumar Jha Sir, for his welcome address. Sir, over to you. Jha Sir.
Thank you, Mr. Pankaj. Let me first welcome our guests, respected Mr. R.K. Vyas, President, National President, Computer Society of India, and the chief guest of the event, Dr. R.P.S. Tomar, guest of honor, and who is the chairman of Computer Society of India, Ghaziabad chapter, a renowned academician, Dr. R.P. Maheshwari, ex-professor of IIT Roorkee, and our guest speaker today, Mr. Saurabh Agrawal, who is also the chairman of Ghaziabad chapter, Dr. Vikas Chaudhary, HOD Computer Science and Engineering, my dear faculty and students present in this inaugural ceremony. A very warm welcome to each and every one of you. In keeping with this tradition of taking the lead in all student-related activities, JIPS Greater Noida became the institutional member of CSI in May 2009. This is what I was told. And has now decided to form the CSI student chapter with student members from the departments of Computer Science and Engineering, BCA, and other interested students of different disciplines. With the technical support of CSI, Computer Science and Engineering Department of JIPS Greater Noida conducted 1 week national workshop in December 2019, arranged a workshop, organized hashtag event to promote and develop skills on emerging technologies among students. Today, in the benign presence of distinguished dignitaries of CSI, JIPS Greater Noida has opened a student branch of Computer Society of India with around 80 student members, and we are sure that soon after this pandemic is over, this number will grow exponentially. And so at last this beautiful day has arrived, and I am sure you all have been eagerly waiting for this day. Sir, we are aware that our students can now avail the opportunities to participate in the international, national, regional and chapter events of CSI, such as conferences, seminars, symposia, workshops, very concessional rate. They can also participate in other important chapter activities which offers a platform for networking and distinguished industry leaders, scientists, academicians. More importantly, a lot of dynamic changes are continuously observed in professional services in today's world, and we urge upon the students to update their technical skills. Some humming is coming. Is my sound audible?
You are audible, sir.
Yeah, Pankaj, if you can mute everyone else. A lot of background noise.
Sir,
And yes,
mute everybody else except Jha sir.
I'm sure that this is a very positive step taken by Computer Science and Engineering Department, and our students will be immensely
Yeah, sir, kindly unmute yourself. I have muted all. Yeah, sir.
Chairman sir have joined.
Yeah, our honorable chairman, sir, is there with us.
Sir, good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah,
afternoon, sir.
congratulations. Yeah, good afternoon. Congratulations to the entire team, Dr. Vyas, Dr. Chaudhary, Dr. Jha, and all people who are involved, and especially the students. I think it's a wonderful initiative, and I just hope that this thing really takes off very well. In spite of the COVID times, I'm sure we'll be able to really have a wonderful interaction. Please, Dr. Jha, carry on. And please accept my apologies also. I would be here for the next few minutes, but then I may, leave all of you with my best wishes, as I have something very urgent lined up at 1:20. But please accept my best wishes, and I just hope that under your leadership, especially Dr. Jha, Dr. Chaudhary, Dr. Vyas, students would be able to really gain a lot.
Sure.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, Amit.
Nice words.
Thank you.
Sir, your inspiring
Thank you, sir.
words.
Sir, 1 minute. I just want to take a photograph. So all the dignitaries and guests are requested to just open their videos so that I can take a snap. But our honorable chairman sir is there with us. So everyone present in this meeting, kindly open your videos. I'm just going to click one picture. All the students are requested just open their videos for a moment. I just want to capture all the smiling faces. I suppose most of the people have opened their videos. Within on three count, I will be taking the snap. Okay, it's 1, 2, 3. Kindly smile, please. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you.
Thank
You
you.
people can close your videos, and I request Jha sir kindly continue with your addressing, sir. Thank you, sir.
As I was telling that a lot of dynamic changes are continuously being observed in professional services in today's world. And so we urge upon our students to update their technical skills. I am sure that this is a very positive step taken by our CSC department, and our students will be immensely benefited if they make proper use of the platform that CSI provides and keep them updated with the latest development and also fine tune their skills and talents. So I was addressing all of you. I have taken much of your time, but I do not want to continue further. I would simply say that on behalf of our students and faculties, I want to assure all the CSI officials that we shall not lag behind, and in the days to come, we shall arrange many more activities under the flagship of CSI. Lastly, I wish all the success to the student chapter and expect that their enthusiasm and spark will always remain ignited. Thank you very much for listening me, and let us now welcome Professor R.P.S. Tomar, Chairman, CSI Ghaziabad chapter, for his presidential address. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your kind words, sir.